People in Washington can now file a complaint with the Attorney General's office if they feel that their right to an abortion or contraception has been denied.
Well, after the overturning of Roe v. Wade last June, abortion rights have been in the hands of the states. In Washington, abortion remains protected, and the Attorney General's office is taking extra steps to keep things that way. Bronte Sorotsky joins us in studio with what Washington residents can do if they feel their reproductive rights have been violated.
Well, a form up on the Attorney General's website allows anyone in Washington to make a complaint if they've been denied an abortion or contraception or been harassed at a clinic. A director at Planned Parenthood in Spokane tells me since the fall of Roe v. Wade, they've dealt with constant protests and say they're ready to put this form to use.
Since the fall of Roe v. Wade, protests have doubled. And so we're seeing more protests in a lot of places where we normally wouldn't. So it does impact staff, it does impact patients.
Staff at Planned Parenthood in Spokane say they've seen an increase in people protesting outside, including Thursday morning. By the time we arrived, all protesters had cleared out but one. The Washington Attorney General's office is doing more to tackle these concerns and ensure abortion rights remain protected in the state. There's now a form anyone can fill out online if they feel their right to an abortion has been wrongfully denied.
Certainly, our office is working to understand situations in which people's rights may be being violated. And if that's ever the case, our intent would be to take actions within our power to protect those rights.
Actions like following up on these cases and potentially opening up an investigation. 4 News Now spoke with one woman protesting from the sidewalk at Planned Parenthood. She says she's with a group called Sidewalk Advocates for Life.
We take turns coming during the week to offer options to women who are considering having an abortion.
The form does indicate people can complain if they feel they've been harassed at a clinic.
I'm sorry if people are complaining, but we are on a public sidewalk and we have a right to free speech.
Planned Parenthood staff say in light of recent protests like the one on Thursday, they're excited to offer this complaint form to their patients. The Attorney General's office says it's in contact with state law enforcement if they find anything from their investigations. And if you've been denied abortion care from a private or religious medical center, staff at Planned Parenthood tell me their doors remain open. In studio, Bronte Sorotsky, 4 News Now.